Hi everybody, happy Monday. It is now 6:36. I already got changed. I was at work until 6:10. Long day. So normally I don't like to make deliveries on Monday nights, but Colby's got class until 8. He's got his car now, so that's fine. And Caden's doing schoolwork, so I might as well just go out and make some money since both the boys are busy doing stuff. All right, let's see what we get this evening. I'm gonna turn on UberEats to start and see what we get. All right, you guys, picking up first order with DoorDash. It's Dairy Queen. So let's go get this order. Let's go get this Dairy Queen dropped off. All right, you guys, picking up second order with UberEats at Pliables. So let's go get this order. It's a little windy. Hi, how are you? All right, dropping off the Pliables order. Alright, you guys, third order is with DoorDash, picking up at Burger King. Not the best orders this evening, but at least it's a little something.
Drive-thru.
Alright, picking up the fourth order from Pizza Hut. It's for the same customer. Alright, let's go get the Burger King order and the Pizza Hut order dropped off. All right, you guys, picking up fifth order from Roy Rogers. So let's go get this order. Hi, how are you? All right, dropping the Roy Rogers off.